In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete GoHighLevel agency setup. We'll walk through logging in, updating your profile, configuring domain purchase permissions, setting up your email services with a dedicated domain, and connecting your Stripe account so you can start billing. Keep your admin tab open and follow along. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel agency dashboard. Once you're in, head straight to Settings. In the Profile area, enter your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear across the platform. Add a reliable email address that you check often, since this will receive important notifications. Enter your phone number, ideally with your country code for consistency. If you need to, you can update your password here as well. Use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. When everything looks good, click Update Profile to save your changes and wait for the success confirmation. Next, open the Domain Purchase tab. This feature allows your agency and sub-accounts to purchase and connect domains directly inside GoHighLevel, streamlining website and funnel launches. It's convenient because it keeps domain management close to where you build pages, though domain costs still apply through the registrar integration. You can enable or disable domain purchase for each sub-account, giving you control over who can buy domains and helping you manage costs and governance across clients. Now go to Email Services. This is where you configure the infrastructure that sends your transactional and marketing emails. Setting up a dedicated sending domain helps protect your reputation and improves deliverability compared to shared pools. Click Create Dedicated Domain, then enter the domain you'll use for sending. Many agencies prefer a dedicated subdomain like mail.yourdomain.com to keep sending separate from the main website domain. Click Add and verify. The system will generate DNS records for you to add at your domain host. After that, click Continue and give it time. DNS verification can take several minutes depending on your provider. When you're done, click Go Back. Return to the agency dashboard. It's time to connect your Stripe account. Linking Stripe is essential for accepting payments, selling SaaS plans, and automating subscriptions and invoices directly from GoHighLevel. Click Connect your Stripe account and complete the secure onboarding process. Follow the prompts, enter accurate business details, and continue until you see the connection confirmed back in GoHighLevel. That's the full agency setup. Profile finalized, domain purchase permissions configured, email services prepared with a dedicated domain, and Stripe connected for billing. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.